Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am providing the only guide you guys will ever need to finally fix your performance issues. This is a quick and simple walkthrough on how you can actually just get a massive Roblox FPS boost and increase your frames per second overall. We are going to dive deep into Windows, services, and the registry to ensure your hardware is actually dedicated to your gaming experience. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Windows Essential Tools. First, I want to show you some Windows Essential Tools. Now, if you guys already did all your Windows settings and optimized it yourself, then you guys can actually just skip to the next part in the video where I get a little more in-depth into the technical things. However, for the majority of you, these simple toggles are the foundation of a smooth game. A few Windows settings that you guys should already know involve the Gaming tab. Search for Game Mode Settings. Game mode basically optimizes your Windows environment for PC play by prioritizing your GPU and CPU for the active window. I want you guys to actually just turn this on. Next, we are going to go to our capture section. You guys want to make sure captures is off, as recording in the background kills your disk speed. Go to your game bar as well and make sure the Xbox game bar is toggled off. Then, we are going to search up graphics settings. When you go to graphics settings, make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on because it reduces your latency and improves your performance. Now you guys can actually turn this on, benchmark it, and then see how it performs for you. If it does not do anything good or causes crashes, you can just turn it off. But for 90% of players, it is a massive win. Another thing I want you guys to actually do real quick is search up notifications. Make sure notifications are off because this is actually going to use a little bit of CPU every single time a little bubble pops up. I know most of you guys experience a major lag spike when a notification pops up while you are playing. Power and storage optimization. Next, let's look at your hardware management. Search for storage. When you go to storage, make sure storage sense is off. Storage Sense uses your CPU for daily file hunts, looking for temporary files every single day. If you are on a mid-tier or high-end PC, you can keep it on. But for maximum FPS, manual cleaning is better. Now let's talk about power and sleep. Click on power and sleep. Go to additional power settings and make sure you have high performance selected. If you are on a desktop PC, this is perfectly fine. If you are on a laptop, you do want to be a little careful because I don't want your PC to overheat. Try out high performance, play some Roblox, and see how your laptop handles it. If it gets too hot, just go back to balanced. For my high-end enthusiasts, I have an ultimate performance plan code. To get this, open your command prompt, CMD, as an administrator. In the description, I have the command ready for you to copy. When you paste it and click enter, it will say ultimate performance, and that is how you know it worked. Go back to your power options and you will see the new plan. While you are in there, go to change plan settings, then change advanced power settings and look for processor power management. Open minimum processor state and maximum processor state. Make sure these are both on 100. It is okay if the minimum is at 0 for some, but I recommend 100 so your CPU is always ready to use the max power it can. Deep system tweaks. I want you guys to create a system restore point now. This is a safety net in case your PC starts bugging out. As we are going into the services, search for services and find sysmain. Double-click it and set it to disabled. Sysmain preloads apps and tracks what you use, which uses extra RAM. We don't need that while gaming. Next, find Diagnostic Policy Service. This is a real-time troubleshooter. Go to the startup type and put this on manual. It will still work if you ask it to, but it won't be running in the background every single time you start your PC. Now, let's head into the registry editor. Navigate to HKey Local Machine System Current Control Set Services NDU. Find the start value, right-click it, and change it to 4. This disables the Network Data Usage Monitor. This service tracks your network data, which is largely useless for home gaming and often slows down the network stack over time. Windows has a lot of these little things that build up and slow down the PC overall. Final cleanup. The next two things involve physical cleanup. Search for disk cleanup. This debulks your PC. When it opens, click Cleanup System Files. You might see System Memory Error Dump files. I've seen these take up over 1 GB for no reason. Check all the boxes and click OK. Lastly, check your task manager under Startup Apps. If you see Spotify or Discord listed as high impact, disable them. You should only have essential drivers like Voicemeeter or mouse software running at boot. Running Discord and Spotify manually when you actually need them will save a massive amount of initial RAM. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and learned something new that helps you and your friends get more frames. And that's it for today's review. If this helps you out, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.